Are you supposed to have sex when you get pregnant? The men, do you think having sex with your partner when she's pregnant affects the baby in any way? Even some of you believe that when you have sex with your wife or your partners, your sperm is going to nourish the baby. Is that really true? In today's video, we're coming to talk about sex during pregnancy. At what point must someone stop having sex? Is it really necessary? What are some of the benefits of sex? If this is a topic you're interested in, I urge you to subscribe to my channel and make sure you watch this video to the end. You can also share it to a loved one which you think is interested in this video. I'm Nakita Midwife and welcome to my channel. Over here, I talk about issues of pregnancy, babies, deliveries, and family planning. Now, in today's video, I'm talking about sex during pregnancy. Generally speaking, there's nothing wrong with a woman having sex during pregnancy. Yes, especially if you have not been diagnosed with any complication or medical condition during pregnancy, you are free to have sex. However, during the first trimester, which is the first 12 weeks of pregnancy, there is a high rate of miscarriage. So it is very much advisable to seek for your healthcare provider's advice or your gynecologist's advice before indulging in sex during the first trimester. But then, first, second, third trimester is very much convenient for any woman to have sex once you don't have any complications, like I said earlier. Some women feel reluctant having sex because of the size of their belly sometimes. They feel some kind of discomfort because of maybe the position that is assumed during the sex. Don't worry, I'm going to show you some positions to assume which is very, very comfortable to practice during pregnancy. Let's come to the benefits of sex during pregnancy. The very first benefit that it comes with. Sex during pregnancy promotes relaxation and better sleep. Some women, especially during pregnancy, are not able to sleep, but with sex, can be able to sleep. That is the very first benefit of sex during pregnancy. It serves as a pain relief. Just want to shock you, Abby. Okay, now let me explain how it helps you relieve the pain. Mostly, women experience backache and headache. It's a very common sign of pregnancy. But when you have sex, it goes to relax and relieve all those pain that you feel during pregnancy. So it's very, very important for you to have sex when you get pregnant. Another thing is it increases intimacy between you and your partner. Some men feel detached from their wives once they get pregnant because some of the women, because of the hormonal changes, the changes in their body they are going through and all that, do not even want to have sex with their husbands. But it shouldn't be so. Even though you are pregnant, you can still maintain that intimacy between you and your partner, and only sex can do that. Research also shows that women who have sex, regular sex, during pregnancy reduces their risk of getting a preterm labor. Preterm labor is you delivering your baby before the 9 months comes, okay? And sex prevents that or reduces your risk of that. So why not go ahead to have sex now that you're pregnant or when you get pregnant? To the very, very important benefit of sex, I'm sure some of you have even heard about this one, okay? Sex eases your labor pain. Yes, this is the reason why. Anytime you have sex when you're pregnant and you reach orgasm, this orgasm helps your pelvic muscles to contract. Okay, when they contract, they are tightening your muscles, which is your pelvic muscle. When that happens, anytime you are in labor, these muscles are able to help with the pain. So when there's contraction of these pelvic muscles, it strengthens the muscles, which helps in easing your pain anytime you are in labor. So it's very, very much important for you to have sex, especially during the last trimester, when you are almost getting to your delivery time. Okay, have sex, regular sex. It helps to ease your labor pain so that you really have to suffer a lot when the time comes. By the way, those of you who have not watched my video on how to ease your labor pain, please go look for it. Okay, I created a video on how to ease your labor pain. It will really benefit you. I recommend that video to you. Back to what I was saying now. Are there some women who are not supposed to have sex when they get pregnant? The answer is yes. We have a few instances or medical conditions that prevent some women from having sex when they get pregnant. The very first instance is a condition we call cervical incompetency. Okay, still in my video on labor, I explain what the cervix is, but for the benefit of those who are watching my video for the first time, I'll still explain what cervix is. Okay, the cervix is an organ that is found in between your vagina and then your womb, and this cervix, when you are in labor, it is supposed to open or dilate for the baby to be able to come out. However, in cervical incompetency, it is not so. This particular cervix is supposed to be closed when you get pregnant. It's only when you are in labor that is supposed to open. But in this case, once you get pregnant, the cervix starts opening, leading to frequent miscarriage or abortion. So in this particular case, the woman is not allowed to have sex at all till that baby is old enough to be delivered by cesarean section. That is for those who have this particular medical condition called cervical incompetency. No sex for you once you discovered you are pregnant till baby is born. Now, the second instance is women who have a history of frequent miscarriages or recurrent miscarriages. Yes, with these women too, they are not supposed to have sex when they get pregnant, because it could be that when you have sex, this sex goes to do what we call exciting the cervix. Okay, your cervix becomes excited that you had sex, so it will just open and the baby will just come out, causing a miscarriage. So if you've had frequent or recurrent miscarriages, you are not supposed to have sex during pregnancy. Bleeding in pregnancy is also another instance where a woman is not allowed to have sex. Okay, you are bleeding and you still want to have sex. How? We don't know what is causing the bleeding, so you are not supposed to have sex, else it could lead to something else. So in this instance, you are not to have sex until the cause of the bleeding is identified and treated. Then they can give you the go ahead whether to have sex or not. So once you see that you are bleeding during pregnancy, please make sure you don't have sex. Also, another thing, or the very last thing, is that when you have a history of preterm labor. Preterm labor, like I said earlier, is when you deliver your baby before 9 months. Okay, so preterm labor, you are also not allowed to have sex until that is resolved. So these are a few instances or medical conditions whereby people or women are not allowed to have sex until they deliver. The caution here is that you are allowed to have sex when you get pregnant, but make sure you practice safe sex, especially if you don't know if your partner is faithful enough, because some sexually transmitted diseases can go a long way to affect not only you, but your unborn baby. So have regular sex, but you can use condom. Okay, that is a safer way of doing it. Now let's come to the positions, or some of the positions that will be very comfortable for you to use when you are pregnant, especially in the third trimester where your belly has become like this, and you feel so uncomfortable having sex. So the first position is side lying. You lying on your left side especially, then your partner lying behind you and doing whatever he has to do. Okay, that is the first position. It's very comfortable because it relieves the pressure off your belly. Yes, so it's good for you. Also, the woman can be on top. Okay, be on top of your man and be the one in charge or in control of the action. Okay, just do that and then you'll be very much comfortable with this particular position. The all four position, popularly known as the doggy style. Okay, with this one too, you just have to be on all four, your knees and then on your hand. Okay, then, but this one, make sure you use a pillow, put a pillow and then let your belly be on the pillow whilst you do this particular position, okay? And with your partner behind you, you guys can go a long way with this position without you having any discomfort or anything, okay? You will just be very comfortable with this one. And then another one is the edge of the bed position, okay? The woman comes closer a bit to the edge of the bed, and then, the man in front doing whatever he has to do. All those positions are very comfortable and safe for the woman in pregnancy, okay? So these are some of the positions you can practice if that is your worry, why you are not having sex with your partner because you are pregnant. Then I'm just giving you a solution to this particular problem. Have lots of sex, because I've told you the benefits it will give you when you do so. Now, in conclusion, sex is very much safe during pregnancy, okay? No need to worry when you don't have any medical condition or some of the instances I've mentioned in the video earlier. If you don't have any of those, just feel free and have sex as much as you want. Now, to the men who are also saying that their sperm goes to nourish the child when they have sex with their wives, please, that's a lie. Don't believe that, okay? Your sperm doesn't go anywhere close to where that baby is. The baby has a whole group of bodyguards, yes, surrounding that baby. So your sperm doesn't go to do anything. That's not what nourishes your child. So don't believe that. That's a lie, okay? Sex is generally safe for all women once you don't have any medical condition. We've come to the end of this video. I believe you have learned a lot from this video. If you want this channel to grow and bring you more content, please subscribe and also give it a thumbs up, recommend to someone. And if you are married, tell us your experience in the comment section. If you are not married yet and you also have any ideas to share about this, let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.